Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. Looking good so far. Price action definitely corrective. So at the moment, I don't see immediate risk of invalidation of our, let's say, bullish scenario. So I'm still watching for higher prices in wave 5. Yeah, remember that we highlighted here. Let me just adjust this. We highlighted that here in December, there are two wave counts. So either a wave 2 bottomed here at around 22 cents. That was on the 13th of December, or a B wave. Two wave counts both allow for at least one more high. In the white count, which is the more bullish one, we should even see two more highs. Currently, the move that started here in December is either a C wave, yeah, or a third wave with the same sub-wave count. So we're watching for 5 waves up from the December lows. I have only 3 at the moment. This move here seems to be a 4th wave. I expect lower next week. Yeah, I would still expect lower prices next week. And it seems like it's extending its 4th wave for now. Yep, surely. I mean, the 4th wave could have bottomed here. That was on Monday the 8th. Let's zoom in. Surely, this could have bottomed there. But then it's not very evident yet because we only see 3 waves up. Now that's only possible, again, in an ending diagonal. If this 5th wave is an ending diagonal, is this the highest likely, is this the count with the highest likelihood? Not really. Watching for an impulse, or at least something that gives me more clarity that the 4th wave already has bottomed. But we already had the price dip several times into our trading area. So when the price moves, and gives some profits, then by all means, feel free to move your stop loss to break even. So take out the risk or take some partial profits. But I would still expect lower prices next week. Not bearish, not in a bearish way, but just as a deeper pullback in this C wave of wave 4. Seems like this C wave is still unfolding. Ideal targets, we've got the 54.4 cent level and then 52 cents. That would be ideal, sort of as a small range of support within the larger support range, and then from there the 5th wave to the upside could start. Possible targets at the moment, 93 cents, then we've got still 97, and then $1.06, $1.16. Bear in mind that this could also turn into something different, like a triangle pattern. It doesn't really look like a triangle, but it could form one actually. Because 4th waves can turn into triangles. Also, it could turn into a larger B wave, so that this B wave here, which presumably topped on the 11th of January, so on Thursday, this B wave could easily extend a bit. So yeah, just be a bit flexible there. Not entirely sure what's going on there because, we've got a move down into the support area, 3 waves up, so that normally suggests further downside. But the move down was also a 3-wave move. Now, what can always happen is that this is not an ABC, but a WXY structure. And the Y wave itself is an ABC. So that's sort of how I expect it next week, or maybe even tomorrow. Would like to see a little lower here. At least it is what seems to be the path with the lowest resistance, okay? But if the price breaks above the high that formed on the 11th of January at 80.7 cents, well, I will have to assume that the 5th wave is already running. Until then, we break below support. Any break above resistance, would make me assume that we're already in the 5th wave. So that's obviously the uncertainty we deal with in the shorter time frame. If the price drops lower, we'll have another opportunity in the support area, in the trading area. If the price moves higher, the entry point already worked and traders should be in profit who used this support area to find an entry. There's literally not much more to add. The only other thing I want to add is that below 44 cents, there's not really anything clearly bullish left on the chart. This is structural support, but it's also crucial Fibonacci support for a 4th wave. Really, a 4th wave shouldn't break below the 50% retracement. So it will likely be something bearish if we see a break below that level. That's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.